model, 68-plate Vauxhall Movano 2.3CDTi, 136, L4H3 long wheelbase, rear-wheel drive 3.5t LUTO low-loader box van. Body, white, Luton, box. Mileage, 157,034. Engine, 2298 cc 2.3130 PS CDTI E6B. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox and clutch are perfect. The power steering pump has been removed and is no longer with the vehicle, so this will need replacing. Apart from that, it is mechanically spot on grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, reversing camera, air con, electric windows, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description.